All right, so welcome back to the BC creation questions, and then we have three questions on the board. For the sake of time, I have a lesson in about 7 minutes time, so I'll just wrap up quickly and then see if I can make my time for the other class. So, um, A, B, C, and D are vertices of parallelogram A, B, C, D. If the coordinates of A, B, and C are A is 1, 2, B is 3, negative 1, and then C is negative 1, negative 1. Find the coordinates of D and then also find the vector AC. Alright, so with this one, we can either draw the parallelogram to represent the information or we just go straight forward. But for the sake of understanding, let's just have a firm idea of what we are dealing with. So we know a parallelogram should have four sides where the opposite sides are equal. So if A is here, 1, 2, B is here, 3, negative 1, then C should be here, negative 1, negative 1. Then we can put D here, xy, so that we find the value of xy. Now we know that AB should be equal to DC. AB should be equal to BC. Sorry, DC. Okay. Alright. So if that is the case, then we can now find the value of AB. AB means B minus A. That is the point. You take the A from the B, which is given by 3, negative 1, 1, 2, 3 minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. That would be 2, negative 3. We equate this one to DC. So DC2 is given by C minus D. We know C to be minus 1, minus 1. We know this to be X and Y, whether negative or not, we don't know. So minus 1 plus X and minus X. And then this would be minus 1 minus Y. Okay. So we can equate this one to this. This is the X coordinate, this is the Y coordinate. So if that is the case, I can now have minus 1 minus X giving me 2, which means that minus X is equal to 2 plus 1. X is equal to negative 3. And then minus 1 minus Y is equal to negative 3. Minus Y is equal to negative 3 plus 1. Minus Y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 2. So therefore, the coordinates D, which is xy, can be given by minus 3, 2, like this. So coordinate D has been gotten. AC. So we know AC is equal to C minus A, right? So C minus A. We know C, we know A. But at the same time, AC can be given by AB plus BC. Since we are moving in leaders, we have to pass. This is a resultant vector. So the resultant vector, you add this to this, that will give you AC. Either you go through this point, this plus this should give you the AC, or you can just do this one too. It's the same thing. Okay. So if you want to go by the AB plus BC, we know AB to be 2, negative 3. So we just find BC. BC is C minus B. So minus 1 minus 1 minus B is given by 3, negative 1. 2, negative 3 plus negative 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1. That would be 2, negative 3 plus this side would also give us negative 4, 0. Then this would give us minus 2, and then minus 3 for AC. Let's confirm. So minus 2 minus 3. If we use the other approach, which is C minus A, C was given by minus 1, A also by 1, 2. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so tick for two of them. Make M the subject. So C is equal to A minus M all over 1 plus AM. We want to make M stand alone. So whatever that is having M should be at one side. Whatever that does not have M should be at the other side. Cross multiplication. T plus AM is equal to A minus M. So T plus TAM is equal to A minus M. So I want to make M the subject. So TAM plus this M here, A minus T. M out, AT plus 1, A minus T. M is equal to A minus T all over AT plus 1. So this is what I have. And then I was told that if T is equal to 8 and A is equal to 3, what is the value of M? A is equal to 3. T is equal to 8. Value of M, 3, 8 plus 1. Minus 5, 24 plus 1. Minus 5 on 25. Minus 1 over 5. A right angled triangle has sides 9 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Find the length of the hypotenuse. So right angled triangle. So far as I have my 90 degrees, that's a right angled triangle. 12 centimeters can be here, 9 centimeters here. We know that the hypotenuse squared should be equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So h here. So h squared is equal to 9 squared plus 12 squared. 9, 9, 81, 144. 144, 81. This would be 5. This would be 2. This would be 2. So 2 to 5. Square root of 2 to 5. And that would be giving us 15 centimeters. So this is equal to 15 centimeters. So on this note, I'll end for the day. I'm hoping to come your way with other questions, just that time didn't permit me. So enjoy your day, then have a memorable one too. Bye bye.